Hi traders, this is Roberto again. This is part of the Heiken Ashi and MACD crossover strategy. And I forgot to mention the first part about how to qualify a trade. The first thing we need to do is first look at the 1 hour chart because we want to be trading in the direction of the 1 hour. So when we see, for example, this area here, obviously we're in a downtrend and the two lines on the 1 hour chart crossed over here. So what we do is when we see this, then at any given time on the 15-minute chart that's when we take a trade in the direction of the 4 hour on the 1 hour chart. So for example, here's a trade right here. Remember, the shaded area is the 1 hour downtrend. So we're looking for entries on the 15-minute chart, and here is an entry here, and we have going from red to blue, and this is the way we trade Heiken Ashi. When we get two blue candles in a row, we wait for the next red candle to appear, and that's our entry. Remember, here again the market sold off, then here we had two blue candles, that's the pullback, and then you enter on the next red candle, and we just continue to take trades in the direction of the 1 hour chart. Again, market sold off, then we had two blue candles, and that's the pullback, and that's what you need to wait for. You don't take trades on the 15-minute chart when it starts turning red. If, for example, this trade took place and then there's no entry down here, you have to wait for a retracement. So you wait for two blue Heiken Ashi candles, bullish Heiken Ashi candles on the 15-minute chart, and as soon as you get a red candle, you take that trade. Again, this whole shaded area is the down trend on the 1 hour chart. Here again, here's the retracement, blue candles. Then here, there was a bit of a consolidation, so you would still stay in this trade because your stop loss is above the swing high. So here, red candles, and this took quite a while before we were in profit, but eventually it turned around and went south. Here again, we have two red candles, two blue candles, and your entry is here when it turns red. Okay, so that's how we're going to be trading. That's the strategy we're going to use. We first again, we'll go to the 1 hour chart, and here were the entries on the 15-minute chart. There were so many, and now we're starting to see it again. Notice that we have the market's turning around. It is hitting a central pivot point, so that's a difficult trade to take because it is at a support, but it has turned from blue to red, and we took the trade. Okay, it does qualify. It's below the 21 moving average line. It turned red, and that's our entry. The only concern is that it's at a support level, but it does qualify for a trade. Just like here, went from, remember this area here, we're still in a downtrend on the 1 hour chart. So as soon as it turns red, we enter a trade right there, and notice that the two lines of MACD are crossed to the downside at the entry point. Okay, so again, we look at a 1 hour chart and we see directional bias. Okay, so here, for example, the market was in an uptrend. Two lines, MACD lines are angled and separated going up. So this, if you missed your entry maybe here, then what we do is just go to the 15-minute chart, and we just highlight that area, and whenever you see the candles go from red to blue, that's our entry. So here's the retracement, and here's the entry right here. We want to take trades in the direction of the 1 hour chart. So here's one trade, here's another trade, then of course this is the London close, and we can't take a trade going in the direction of the trend anymore because this run is pretty much over. And here was another trade right here. So we first look at the 1 hour chart, highlight that area, And then if we're not able to get in the trade in the beginning of the day, then you just wait till the colors change to red and then turn blue again, and that's your entry. So this is the retracement when they go from blue to red and an uptrend. Wait till the red candles are finished and then take your trade. This is a 15-minute chart, and just take your red trade when the colors resume their trend and it's turning blue. And this is the London close, and this is what we're going to be also trading off the 15-minute chart for the London close. It'll be a lot easier, a lot earlier of an entry instead of using the 1-hour chart for our entries. Okay, so that's the tutorial. Remember, tonight I have canceled the tutorial, or rather the workshop, the webinar for the Asian sessions, because I just wanted to focus on this for the next 24 hours, and also tomorrow early I'm going to be working on it. So we will be ready on Thursday and Friday. Okay, so have a good trading week, and I'll see everyone tomorrow for the New York session.